Hello and welcome to Sounds of Phonics. I'm Miss Shirley. Today we're going to do EA says E. EA says E. Eater, eat. Eater, eat. I love to eat, eat hamburgers and French fries. I like to eat chicken wings and candies. Do you like to eat? Ma eat meat. Ma eat meat. This meat is dogs like to eat meat, or people like to eat meat. Chicken, pork, beef, and seafood. Read, 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 read. I like to read. Storybooks and magazines. I like to read. Newspapers and comics. T-E-T. I'm going to make some tea. I'm going to take the tea bag and I'm going to go dip. Then the sugar. Then I put the sugar in my tea. And then I put the milk. And then I stir. Sip. And it's ready to sip. That's how I make tea. Or I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here is my handle, here is my spout. When the water's boiling, hear me shout. Tip me over and pour me out. And I love drinking tea. Sir E-C, Sir E-C. There are two C's. One C is I see you. The other C is the ocean. Okay, now listen to the actions and watch my actions and you'll know which sea I'm talking about. A sailor went to sea, to see what he could see. And all that he could see was the bottom of the brand blue sea. He could only see the sea, the ocean. Beach, beach. Mommy's taking me to the beach tomorrow. Beach tomorrow. We're going to make a sandcastle. We're going to collect some shells and play in the sea. Each. Each one gets a candy. Everyone, each one will get a candy. Each one will get a present. Beat. Don't beat the dog. That's naughty. Heap. Autumn leaves are falling down. Red and yellow, orange and brown. Take a rake and heap them up. Can you see him heaping up? Jump right in. Peanut. I like to eat peanut butter. I like to spread peanut butter on my bread. Leaf. Autumn leaves are falling down. Red, yellow, orange and brown. Turning round and round. Fall. And that's a leaf, and the leaves are falling down. East. North or south, west or east. North, south, east or west. Home is the best. North is up there, south is here, west is here, and east is here. North, south, west or east. Beak. Who has a beak? A bird has a beak. He doesn't have a mouth, he has a beak. Heat. The heat is on. It's on the street. It's on the barbecue. There's a lot of heat coming out of the barbecue. It's very hot. And then we're going to put our chicken and our corn and our potatoes and we're going to roast it. Peas. What color are peas? Peas are green. And there are 4 little peas in in a pod. Can you see the 4 little peas in a pod? And they're round. I love peas. They're very tasty. Sirtaraim, stream, Sirtaraim, stream. Down by the stream, early in the morning, see all the puffer billies all in a row. See the engine driver pull the little handle. Puff, puff, toot, toot, off we go. Ma'ina, mean, Ma'ina, mean. Don't be mean, don't be rude, don't be nasty. Curla'ina, clean, Curla'ina, clean. Wash your dirty hands, wash your dirty hands. Rub and scrub and rub and scrub and wash your dirty hands clean. Make them all clean. Curra'im, cream, Curra'im, cream. I'm putting some cream on my hands so that they don't get dry. Reach, 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 reach. It's too high, I can't reach it, it's too high up in the sky. Peach, 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 peach. I love to eat, eat, eat strawberries and ice cream. I love to eat, eat, eat peaches and cream. It's delicious, peaches and cream. Sit, seat, sit, seat. Have a seat, sit down please. Teach, 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 teach. The teacher teaches me, and I'm a teacher, and I'm teaching you. Sirta'im, steam, Sirta'im, steam. Oh my goodness, there's hot steam coming out of the soup. So be careful, you can burn yourself. Leak, 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 leak. Oh my goodness, that tap is leaking. And even when I close it, all the water is still dripping down. Team, 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 team. Which team do you belong to? The A team or the B team? Okay, and we're going to play a football match. Leap, 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 leap. I'm going to jump and leap in the air. CH says ch-ch-ch, cheap, 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 cheap. The apples are cheap. They're not expensive. It's only $2 each. Week, 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 week. This is not 7 days in a week. This week is I'm not feeling strong. I'm feeling so weak today, not strong. Sirta'il, steal, Sirta'il, steal. Oh my goodness, he came and he stole all the things and he ran away. Now we're going to read first sound to the last sound. We're going to form a train. Can you read with me? Start with the first sound and go to the last sound. Eat, eat. Meet, meet. Read, read. Tea, tea. See, see. Beach, beach. Each, each. Beat, beat. Heap, heap. Peanut, peanut. Leaf, leaf. East, east. Beak, beak. Heat, heat. Peas, peas. Stream, stream. Mean, mean. Clean, clean. Cream, cream. Reach, reach. Peach, peach. Seat, seat. Teach, teach. Steam, steam. Leak, leak. Team, team. Leap, leap. Cheap, cheap. Week, week. Steal, steal. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.